your left.
I'll pick them up.
Got him. March the top.
Really no grip on the front edge.
Yeah.
The leading edge is just. I got big hands, man.
Do you have some place for putting these, Lisa?
No.
Got a bucket.
The bucket.
Could bring a bucket from the bar.
Gotta be some.
I have an hamburger. Do these with that.
Yeah.
Huh?
I thought that. You see me flying down the street, driving on for life, screaming in his ear, ripping some of his shirt.
We were doing 35.
It felt like we were going 80 miles.
And that was on the way back. We really only did like 25 on the way there.
Looking weak on the video here. Back hurts.
Sorry, YouTube.
Having fun?
I'm having a blast.
And riveting a wing.
Yeah, I really didn't think this through. My hose doesn't reach this far.
No.
So that's really cool.
Get this last brace in. I think we got what, one more to put in, 2, 3,
Two
For-
more, yeah, two more on the right side.
and then we got to do the other side.
But hey, we got some new wings.
Do powder coated. Well, this part, yeah,
It's all powder coated.
yeah. Got the new ride, new track ride.
Little push starter. Right on.
Tyler said, no more to the hand tool. No more working out the forearms.
Work smarter, not harder.
Found a hose that reached. Just gotta deal with the compressor. That's there.
Yeah, we'll be all right. 38 tattoo of the heart.
I said, Tyler is lying.
So what are we doing with the tattoo?
Mom has agreed to get a heart with a 38 on it for her first tattoo. She doesn't know it yet. But it's gonna happen.
Mother's Day happens like twice a year, right?
Huh? Yeah. If you love me, you'll do it for my birthday.
It's already passed.
Huh?
It's already.
Yeah, sorry.
I got another one rolling around.
Sorry, I would have, but your birthday's passed, so.
If you love him, you can do it for
I'm
Thanksgiving.
not that bad of a driver. I'm gonna have another birthday.
Yikes. I mean, I don't know what's better, wing night here or wing night at the bar. To be honest with you, I really want some chicken wings.
Oh, you can eat wing.
This wing, though, comes with problems.
This wing's a little more expensive.
I don't know, man. There's some expensive wings. You get the like the 24 karat gold wings.
It's in Vegas.
Yeah.
No more Vegas trips after buying a race car.
No. So we got one more after this. No, two more after that.
Two more.
And I gotta look into the diagram for that. figure out where number 5 goes. I don't
Because
even.
we have no idea what we're doing.
No.
So.
Still.
Makes for a really exciting time.
But like I said, like 5 went together somewhere.
Oh yeah, no, we're good.
I just have to look at it
We're
again.
good. Everything's golden. Stay golden, pony boy.
Couple. I guess I missed the rivet handoff.
Alright, just in time to hear the yard work going on next door.
Yeah.
So today Dad brought the body back over. It's all nice and painted. We got most of those on the car fitted up. Big thing is we got the wings back from Atlantic powder coating, and myself, Dad, and James and Mom assembled those. So we've got some brand new wings for the car, front end, top wing. Brand new powder coat. Been working on snugging up some stuff on the rear end, just tightening everything up. Got the Jacob's ladder in, tightened up all the radius rods, all that good stuff, and it's really starting to look like a car.
Really is.
Hopefully we'll be able to roll it out of the garage here soon. You know, realistically we're not going to make that October date we wanted to make, but I'd rather make sure the car's right, make sure the car's safe,
Driver's ready.
and make sure the driver's ready.
He doesn't want to run wingless night at EASTBAY.
I do not want to run wingless.
Well, you like boneless wings anyways. So
Listen, I also closed the fridge with my hip, so.
You also scoot ice underneath the refrigerator?
Right.
Okay.
Listen, I didn't spend all this money on wings to run without them, so.
There's more money.
You know, we're almost there. We're getting there. So, thanks for tuning in. I know it's been slow. We've got a lot going on. Like I said, I'm working 6 days a week. I'm tired. Got some other projects going on at the house too. Got to get the new daily driver on the road, because got to keep the miles off the truck so we can tow the race car around. But that's about it for today's episode.
All right. You think? Got a new whip?
New whip. Yeah.
New
Got a
whip.
New Polaris. Got a little push vehicle.
There's Pops in the background.
Thank goodness for good credit.
Bastard.
Good credit, bad credit.
We don't care. Just like, comment, subscribe. Maybe call it a day.
What he said.